హాయ్ ఎవరీవన్. ఈ రోజు ఒక కొత్త టాపిక్ తో అగైన్ క్యూఎల్ఆర్ సిరీస్ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ రోజు మనం లేట్ చేయకుండా కొత్త టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే యావరేజెస్. అందరికీ ఇది కొంచెం తెలిసి ఉంటుంది. సో మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి మనం క్లియర్ గా నేర్చుకుందాం. మెయిన్ గా యావరేజెస్ అంటే నేను నార్మల్ గా మన యావరేజ్ అనేది వెయిట్స్ లో ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా. అంటే యావరేజ్ వెయిట్ ఆర్ యావరేజ్ మార్క్స్. సో ఇలాంటి వాటిలో అప్లికేషన్స్ చాలా ఉంటాయి. మనం దీనికి మనం యాప్టిట్యూడ్ అంటే మ్యాథ్స్ లో ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలో చూద్దాం. మ్యాథ్స్ లో వచ్చేసరికి బేసికల్లీ మనకి యావరేజెస్ ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది. ఫార్ములా వచ్చేసరికి సిగ్మా అంటే సమ్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది వాల్యూస్, అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది వాల్యూస్ బై టోటల్ కౌంట్, అంటే టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ వాల్యూస్. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ 1, 2, 10, 5 ఇలా మనకు 1, 2, 3, 4 అంటే 4 వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇవి వాల్యూస్, 4 అనేది దాని కౌంట్. సో ఇక్కడ యావరేజ్ ఎలా అంటే సమ్మేషన్ అంటే వీటి సమ్ 1 + 2, 3, 3 + అంటే ఇలా రాయాలి. సమ్మేషన్ అంటే ఇది మీనింగ్ 5/4. సో వీటి సమ్ బై 4 చేస్తే 15, 17, 18. 18/4 అంటే 9, 2, 4.5. ఇది మనకి ఇది యావరేజ్ ఫైండింగ్. సో మనం ఈరోజు కొన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ప్రాక్టీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేను కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ మోస్ట్ రిపీటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ తీసాను. ఇది 1 by 1 డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఎప్పుడులాగే మనతో ఒక టీం మెంబర్ ఉన్నారు. సో సత్య, కెన్ యూ రీడ్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్?
Of course. The sum of ages of 5 children born at intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child?
ఓకే, we will see that question. The first question: the sum of ages of 5 children born at intervals of 3 years. Intervals means some. If we start at example Warangal, if we stop at Hyderabad in the way of going to New Delhi, we stop at Hyderabad. This is called as first interval. Means something we should be given stop. This is a interval. Or while moving to our destination, this is one gap or one stop. This is called as interval. So according to this sum, the sum of age of 5 children with the interval of 3. That means between the 5 children, the interval, the stop is 3 years. So if you consider first children as x, then x plus 3, because 3 years, then x plus 6, then x plus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, and x plus 12. These are the meaning of this interval of 3 years, and their sum is 50. Sum is given as 50. So by computing this, x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 is equal to 50. Okay. The age of the youngest child. Youngest child means this one, x. This is all the youngest. Because all are greater than in plus 3 plus 6 plus 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 18. 18, we missed it. 18 plus 12, 30. 30 is equal to 50. So x is equal to 20 by 5, 4. So therefore x is equal to 4. Okay. So the youngest child age is, we consider it as x. So x is equal to 4. 4 years. Okay. With that, we will go to the next question. Second question. The average weight of ABC is 45. Okay. Average, which I told that total sum by number of persons or number of items. So total was given as 45. 45 by how many? Sorry, the sum was given as the average was given as 45. So 45 and the average is equal to total we don't know. We let it be x by total 1, 2, 3, 3 members. So 3. That implies x their sum is equal to 45 into 3. 45 into 3. Okay. Next, the average is the weight of A and B. A and B given. That is, these are 2. So we consider it as y. Y by 2 is equal to 40. That is, y is equal to 80. Okay. Next, y is equal to 80. Next given as B and C is 43. That is, B we assume it as Z. Z by 2 is equal to 43. That implies Z is equal to 86. Okay. Okay. This x means A plus B plus C by 3 is equal to 45. So here A plus B is y. So A plus B we will replace with y. That implies 80 plus C is equal to 45 into 3. We will arrange this. That implies C is equal to, so C is equal to 55. We got. Now we want the question is we want the weight of B. So B we know that B plus C by 2 is equal to how much? 43. So B is equal to 86. We take 2 here and plus C here goes minus C. So minus 55. B is equal to 1, 3. 31 kg. This is the solution. Next. This is the very most important question. Third question is very most important. The average mark of 13 papers is 80. Okay. Let the paper sum is x by 13 is equal to 80. Now, the average marks of first 7. First 7 is 84. So, first 7 we don't know the sum. So, y by 7 is equal to 84. This is the main equation, summation of all papers. This is the first 7. And the last of 7 is 70. And the last we take it as z by 7 by 7 is equal to 70. This is the last 7. I will tell one scenario. Let's listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, these are 7 and 1 in common. These are 7. Total 14. But we have 13. So, this is the common. What we should do now? The common should be separate. If we, the question asking is find the mark obtained in the seventh paper. So, from the first, it is the seventh paper. From the last, it is the seventh paper. So, this coming duplication 2 times at a time. So if we from the first we should calculate and from the last we should calculate and both we get subtracted, we get we get the seventh paper marks. That is the logic here. So we will perform that logic. Uh, 7 y we get y is equal to 7 into 84 as see, times 84 into 7, 588, and 7 into 7, 490. Then y plus z for total 14 papers. 14 papers. The sum is 1078. And here we have 13 paper sum, that is 13 into 80, that is 1040. We want that the seventh paper, which is in common to both. So we subtract 1078 minus 1040. We get 38. So the seventh paper marks is 38. 38. That is the next question. Fourth, the average mark of 18 students in examination was 60. Okay, we don't know the sum. We let it be sum be x by 18 students. 18 is equal to 60. This type of question is the most important. Many government exams we get x by 18 is equal to 60. One student had been wrongly entered 63 instead of 36. We roughly remember that instead of term is shown in the question, instead of beside number is right one. That is should be added to the sum. That I will tell you. X is equal to from here x is equal to 60 into 18. But from the next case, x is the total sum minus 63 was wrongly entered. So 63 should be removed from the sum. The right one is 36. If we remove that student, that same student mark should be added again. That is correct marks. Correct marks 36 by students are not added. So one student only changed. So remains same students count. Now what is the average? This is the question. So x is equal to we get from this here. That is so x is here we get 1080 from now. 1080 minus 27 because 63 minus 63 plus 36 gives minus 27. So we separate here. That is 1053. 1053. Here this value is 1053 and we have 18. 1053 by 18 is equal to we get roughly 57.5. This is the new correct and new average. Previously 60 was the average, now 57.5. Because roughly you see, before the 63 marks are higher than the 36. 63 is greater than 36. So the average is also 60 greater than new average, 57.5. This is the least, this is also least. This is the more, this is the more. Our problem is correct. This is the cross-checking method. And next, fifth question. This is a simple question. No problem. Fifth question. The average temperature from Monday to Thursday is 48 degrees Celsius. So we'll take, here I will explain. Monday plus Tuesday plus roughly we like write this. Write like this. The average from Monday to Thursday is equal to how many days you will get. We don't know the sum, so we let it be x by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That is 4. So x by 4 is equal to 48. This is the first equation. The next from Tuesday to Friday, average from Tuesday to Friday is equal to 52. So we don't know the sum, so y by 4. Same like only. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is equal to 52. Let it be second equation. So now you consider that the Monday was given as 42. Okay. From this Monday to Thursday, x is equal to 48 into 4. Okay. So x is equal to 192. This is from Monday to Thursday. Now Monday was given. So we will calculate average from Tuesday to Thursday. Tuesday to Thursday is equal to 192 minus 42. Because sum minus 1 gives again the sum. Okay. 192 minus 42 means 150. Okay. We get 150. Now, from Tuesday to Friday. Our main goal is to what is the temperature on Friday. So we know that from Tuesday to Thursday, the temperature and the Tuesday to Friday. If we eliminate the Tuesday to Thursday, remaining is Friday. So this is the logic I am following. I will get Friday. So from here, from second equation, y is equal to that is average temperature from Tuesday to Friday is 52 into 4, 208. 208 minus 192. Okay, that is This is 18. Okay, this is the answer. Sorry, 16. 16. This is the answer. Next, sixth question. The average age of five consecutive odd numbers. Uh, consecutive, I explained yesterday in the yesterday video clearly. Consecutive means side by side numbers. That is x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus
X
3,
plus 3, X plus 4.
plus, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The average means these sum. That is x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 1, 3, 6, 10. Just what I did is I just added all this. That's it. 5x plus 5 plus 10 by 5 is equal to, there's average means total sum by number of items. Their value was 41. So 41. That implies 5x is equal to 41, 41 into 5. That is 205 minus 10. Then x is equal to 195 by 5. So that is x is equal to 39. Then smallest of three numbers is uh, x 39, x plus 1 40, 41, 43, 45, like this up to five numbers. So all the smallest is 39. Okay. So 39 is the answer. Coming to the seventh question. The average age of 10 students and their teacher is 15 years. Okay. 10 students and the teacher is 15. So the average age of first 7 students is 15 and that of last 3 is 11. What is the teacher's age? Okay. Now we'll combinedly take that teacher, right? So here from the total members is 11 because 10 students and one teacher. So some of the students we take it as x plus 15. Teacher we know by 11 is equal to average we don't know. So let it be like this. The average age of first 7 students is 15. We will take the sum as y. Y by first 7 is equal to 15. Okay. So y is equal to 57 is 105. And the last 3 is 11. We will take it as z by d is equal to 11. Z is equal to 33. Last is 33. What is teacher is? Okay. Our total 11 members are there. We know 7 and 3. That is 10. So next member average is what is the teacher say? Okay. Here we know that average was given as 15. See, 15. So one y plus z plus some k. That is teachers. Teachers says we know, right? So 15. Let it be like this. Y plus z by 10 is equal to, we know the average, don't know. So YZ values we know 105, 33. That is 138 by 10 is equal to 13.8. So the total students average was 13.8. Uh, we know the total average 15. 15 minus 13.8. 2 and 4 minus 1. So average age of teacher is 1.2. Okay, Eighth question is, in a 50-over cricket match, the average runs scored by a team for different sessions of the innings are given. The average runs scored by the total team. Okay. Here 25 hours, 8 runs per hour. 10 to 35 is 15 runs. 15 hours is 9 runs. Okay. Average runs scored by the that innings. Here, uh, total overs gives innings. Total overs in a match gives innings. So as per that logic, we take it as 25. Total overs into 8 plus 10 to 35 means how many overs over 35 minus 10? That is 25. 25 into 5 runs for each plus 15 overs. 15 into 9 by total overs how much? 25, 15, so 25, 25, 15. That is 65 is equal to, we get the average. This is the answer. Next question. Ninth question. Find the average of all numbers between 5 and 49, which are divisible by 5. Okay. We will go by manually. Between means 5 and 49 are also inclusive. These are also included. So 5, comma, 10, comma, 15, comma, 20,
20, comma, 25, comma,
that's it. Because 49 is,
30,
if you write
comma,
50 here, 49 is exceeding. So should not include 50.
35, comma,
These are the
40,
numbers.
comma,
So these sum by total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 by 9 gives the average of those numbers.
45.
That's it. Because I may assume this is a simple question, so I will let it be leave to you the calculation. We'll go to next question. 10th question. This is the traffic lights are three different routes crossing after 24 seconds, 30 seconds, 54 seconds. If we all change simultaneously at 10:50 am. Again, okay. This is somewhat numbers type kind of question. Okay, we will discuss, no problem. Actually, I keep this one because to give a complete overview of the yesterday class. So we will discuss this. The 24, 36, 56, 54. See, if they change all times at 10:50 am, at what time they again change? This means the least possible time required to meet or to change simultaneously for any place. This is the question. So the least time means LCM, least common multiple. Okay. If we want the maximum time, we find HCF, highest common factor. But the logic is here we find again change simultaneously. Again change means if you see, I explain an example. Warangal, Hyderabad. From Warangal we went to Hyderabad. Again from what time we will return back. If anyone asks like this, we will tell the starting time, but not ending time. From what time you will start by? Means we will tell the Hyderabad starting time from return, but not reaching time. Same like is also same. Again, they will change means starting time. That is least possible time. So we will find least means least on multiple LCM. 24, 30, 54 LCM we perform. Twenty-four, 36, and 54 upon 2 table. So the LCM upon we perform the and we got the result as LCM is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube. That is 8 into 27. That is 216. 216, what is this? 216 seconds. If we convert them into minutes, 60, 80, 240, so 3 minutes upon 180 and they are 36 seconds. I simply 216, that is 180 plus 36. 180 by 3 gives 60, or 60 gives 3. That is 3 minutes, because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. As I divided by 60, we got 3 minutes, because 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. 3 minutes, and remaining 216 minus 180, 36. At 3 minutes 36 seconds. Again, the starting time means 10:50 from where they started. 10, if this to go, if this was the a rough time, if they all change simultaneously 10:50, the starting time 10:50 was given. How much time they will again change? 10:50 again change it 336. So add those 336. That is 13, or if we carry over this, it becomes 14. Oh, sorry, not like this. 13, 10 hours, right? So 10, 50, 0 seconds, 3 minutes, 36 seconds. That is 10, 53 seconds, 53 minutes, 36 seconds. This is the answer. Okay, friends, we have successfully completed the questions. 10. I will share this PDF in the description link. So, thank you for joining this session. Please share, like, and subscribe the video. Thank you.